Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rotation animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to quickly mask this because I don't want to use like the background of it. And I'm just going to go to canvas and I'm just going to select another color for the background. For instance, you want the ball to roll over here. So I'm just going to go to like 4 seconds maybe. Then you're just going to add a keyframe here, and at the end you're going to place the ball where you want it, and you're going to rotate it a few times. If you want it to be faster, you're going to rotate it a lot, but if you want it to be super slow, you're just going to rotate it a little bit like that. And that is basically it. You can apply it to anything. You can make it roll to the side up here if you want it to roll there. So you can basically roll it anywhere. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!